Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we got another car getting ready to put on the lot. This is a 2016 Chevy Impala. It's a limited, it's the LT trim package. Beautiful white, dark interior. So we'll go ahead and do a quick walk around on this. The engine in this thing is a 2.5 liter. So it's a 4-cylinder, so it should do very well on your gas mileage. Beautiful white on this thing, very elegant looking. So we'll do a quick walk around on the outside. We'll go on the inside. I always have liked the back ends of the Malibus. I think that they're very sharp. So let's go ahead and pop the trunk open. Actually, let me show you how. Right here, there's a button you just push at, and it does open right up. So very clean inside. So let's go ahead and we'll continue over here on the driver's side. I'm glad I've got the sun hitting this side just to show you the beauty of this car. So let's go ahead, I'll open the back door up, we'll take a peek in. Okay, here we go. So you can see you've got the black leather interior. Go up here, look at the headliner, appears to be in good condition. Door panels black. You do have the wood looking trim. Let's look up front. Okay, here we are looking in front. Give you a quick view. Very nice looking console in this. Show you your door panel here, your window controls, and your mirrors. You do have a seat height adjustment here, up and down. Light controls right here. So let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, we're on the inside. I'm going to go ahead and fire this thing up. So get back here, you can see what the instrument gauges look like. And the mileage on this, as of now, 73,839 miles. You do have cruise controls on the left-hand side. And this does have Bluetooth connectivity to your smartphone. Your controls is right here. It does have intermediate wipers. And we go over here on the control center. Nice looking LCD unit that is right here. And go up here, we'll click the home, and there's all your selections. And to get down here, you'll have your audio controls, your climate controls. And what I really like about this car is it gives you the appearance of the wood accent chrome around both tops of the cup holders and around the gear shift itself. So very beautiful interior of this car. Let's look in back. So there you can see your back. You do have ample room, leg room that is back here. And show you right here your overhead lights. Pretty nice. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's our 2016 Chevy Malibu LS 2.5 liter engine. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here, area code 740-992-4443 with any questions. We do have financing options available. We can get you in this, possibly no money down. Have a great day.